Yo, this is Paul from Zoomgas, and today we're going to show you how to program your Homelink rearview mirror. To program a garage door that has a rolling code, you first touch the button that you want to program. It starts orange. You then hold the garage remote up to it, and if it starts blinking fast green, that's what you know that you have a learning rolling code garage door. So now you go to the garage door, you're going to hit the learn button, and when you touch that learn button, you'll notice that this light will turn green. So here's how you program an older control that does not have a rolling code. You simply touch the button you want to program. When it starts to flash orange, then you take your remote and you hold it up to the item with the button, and then you will see it turns green, and you see in the background that the garage door closed. So all you do is touch the button, it'll flash for a little bit to send the code to open your door. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button.
Zoom got so well, you make it go fast.